Imagine bringing your wildest ideas to life in just seconds, whether it's a stunning image or a captivating video. With our cutting-edge AI image and video generators, creativity meets technology to turn simple text into visual masterpieces. From concept to creation, you're just a prompt away from high-quality visuals tailored exactly to your vision. Perfect for content creators, marketers, storytellers, and innovators, unlock the power of imagination, amplified by AI. Before we dive into how it works, if you're curious to learn more about this tool, make sure to check out my last two videos. In one, I show you how to create an entire online web game using just a single prompt. And in the other, I walk you through how to build a full website with one simple line of input. Trust me, you don't want to miss those. It'll blow your mind what AI can do.
Welcome back to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
GenSpark AI. The future of image and video generation starts here. Go to the GenSpark AI website. On the homepage, click on Sign Up with Google. You'll see multiple login options, including Sign in with Microsoft, Sign in with Google, or use your email and password. For this guide, we'll choose Google. Once you select your Google account and approve access, you'll be successfully logged in. Right from the moment you land on the platform, you'll notice its sleek and user-friendly interface. After logging in, head over to Image Studio to generate the image. Next, click on Generate Image. Now, simply type in the prompt for the image you want to create. Be as creative as you like. A breathtaking depiction of an ancient Egyptian bridge surrounded by lush gardens during a lit by glowing lanterns. The environment is detailed and immersive, rendered in digital painting with epic atmosphere and realistic lighting, and select the model, size, or duration, then hit enter and wait a few seconds while the image is being generated. And here we go. The result is ready. Wow, just look at that. It's truly unique and beautiful. Again, follow the same steps, enter your prompt. A beautiful, expressive fantasy anime boy inspired by Attack on Titan, set on a Japanese classroom. Character has magic aura, is sitting peacefully, rendered in soft watercolor, with detailed background and glowing atmosphere. In first example, we have selected the model, size or duration, just hit enter. In just a few seconds, your unique and beautiful image will appear. Wow, look at that! Let's move on to the next example. Just like before, follow the same steps. Enter your prompt, a beautiful, expressive gothic anime boy inspired by My Hero Academia, set on a festival street. Character has magic aura, is gazing into the distance, rendered in soft watercolor, with detailed background and glowing atmosphere. Just hit enter. In a few seconds, your unique and fabulous image will appear. Wow, look at that! We can generate videos in two main ways. 1. Text to video. 2. Image to video. Let's start with text to video. Head over to the video generation section. As always, start by typing your prompt, a breathtaking depiction of a medieval European bridge surrounded by ancient ruins during a sunset with golden skies. The environment is detailed and immersive, rendered in cinematic concept art, with epic atmosphere and realistic lighting. Next, choose your model, size, and duration. Then, simply hit enter. In just a few seconds, your unique and stunning video will be ready. Wow, look at that masterpiece come to life. Start by entering your prompt, a breathtaking depiction of a Victorian-era palace surrounded by glowing crystals during a spring bloom. The environment is detailed and immersive, rendered in soft watercolor, with epic atmosphere and realistic lighting. Choose the model, size, and duration, then hit enter. In seconds, your custom video appears. Wow, it's looking fabulous. Start by entering your prompt: a cute anime girl with long pastel pink hair and twin tails, wearing a stylish school idol outfit, short skirt, ribbons, and thigh-high socks, dancing energetically on a colorful concert stage with glowing lights and cheering crowd in the background. Her movements are smooth and rhythmic, resembling J-pop choreography, with lots of spins, arm gestures, and footwork. The camera follows her dynamically with cinematic angles and soft lighting, giving a magical, anime-style atmosphere. 4K, high frame rate, vibrant colors, anime-style shading. Next, select the model, set the size, and choose the duration. Once you're ready, hit enter. In just seconds, your custom video is generated. Vivid, dynamic, and uniquely yours. Wow, it's come to life. Now, let's generate a video using image to video. Go to the video generation section. Next to the model option, you'll see image to video. Click on it. Upload your image, then enter your prompt: an anime-style romantic scene of a young couple standing on a balcony during sunset, gazing into each other's eyes with warm expressions. The background features a scenic view of mountains, a lake reflecting the sunset, and a sky painted in soft orange and purple hues with scattered clouds. The boy has messy dark hair and wears a casual jacket over a t-shirt, while the girl has auburn hair tied in a ponytail and wears a long-sleeve dress. The lighting is soft and warm, creating a serene and emotional atmosphere. Select the model, choose the size and duration, then hit enter. In just a few seconds, your stunning video will be ready. Fantastic and truly amazing. Let's see another one. Again, upload your image. Enter a prompt: anime-style romantic scene of a young couple dancing together on a wooden terrace at sunset. The girl is wearing a flowing red dress and red heels, her long hair gently blowing in the breeze, while the boy is dressed in a formal navy suit with a white shirt and tie. They gaze lovingly at each other as they dance, holding hands. The background features a stunning mountain landscape bathed in golden light, with a vivid sunset sky full of soft orange and pink clouds. The mood is heartwarming, magical, and peaceful. Then hit enter. In seconds, your stunning video is ready. Truly awesome. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the power of AI image and video generation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.